Good day, everyone. Today we will present our role play entitled Physical Barrier in Communication. But first, what is physical barrier? A physical barrier happens when something in environment blocks or disturbs communication. It can be loud, noise, distance, poor signal, or anything that make it harder to hear or understand each other. Scene 1. Communication with physical barrier. Student having a group meeting in the classroom. Suddenly, there is loud noise from outside. Construction, loud music, or people shouting. Okay, team, let's start planning our presentation about climate change.
What? About changing clothes?
No, climate change.
What? I can hear you clearly.
Can you repeat that again?
The noise is too loud.
We have to reschedule our schedule for tomorrow.
I think this is something about power load. Okay, team, let's transfer to a quiet area so we can hear others clearly. Let's pause for a moment. The problem here is not the message. The real problem is the physical barrier, which the noise. Because of the loud sound around them, they cannot hear others clearly. Noise blocks communication and cause misunderstanding. Scene 2. Communication. After solving the barrier, the group moved to a quiet place. Now, our topic is climate change, and we will divide the parts in the presentation.
Oh, now I can hear you clearly.
It's much better here. Next time, babe. It's too noisy. We should find a quiet place.
Yes, or we can speak louder or face each other while talking.
Can also listen carefully and ask questions and if they feel something.
Now we understand each other better.
Our teamwork is smoother now.
See, if there is no noise, communication becomes easier.
Today, we show how physical barrier like noise can interrupt communication. When there is too much noise, people cannot hear clearly. This causes confusion and misunderstanding. But we also learn that there is always a solution. We can move to a quiet place, speak clearly, listen carefully, and make sure everyone understands. This shows that good communication is not only about speaking, but it's also about choosing the right place and environment. Thank you.